Hey everyone, welcome back to TechVibes. Today we're fixing a PS3 fan that sounds way louder than it should. Place your PS3 on a clean, flat table where you can work comfortably. Make sure your PS3 is completely powered on so you can hear the fan issue clearly. Listen carefully to how loud your PS3 fan is right now to confirm the problem. Now press the PS button and power down your PS3 normally from the home menu. Wait for the PS3 screen to go completely black. Once off, unplug the power cable from the back of the PS3. Also unplug the HDMI cable from the PS3. Unplug the controller USB cables or any storage devices connected to the PS3. Now slide the PS3 to a well-lit area for cleaning. Take a soft, clean brush and gently brush around the PS3 air vents. Focus especially on the vents at the back of the PS3 where the fan exhausts heat. Use a can of compressed air if available, but do not hold it too close to the PS3. Spray short bursts of air into the vents to loosen and remove dust. Rotate the PS3 and blow out all sides of the system vents. Continue brushing until visible dust is gone from the PS3. Now plug the power cable back into the PS3. Plug the HDMI cable back into the PS3 as well. Turn the PS3 back on and listen again to the fan. If the PS3 fan is still loud, power the PS3 off once more. Disconnect the power cable again from the back of the PS3. Lay the PS3 horizontally so it does not tilt or rock while opening. Remove the small plastic cover on top of the PS3 to access the first screw. Use a small flat screwdriver to gently lift the cover from the PS3. Using the correct screwdriver, remove the security screw from the PS3. Slide the top cover of the PS3 gently toward the back and lift it off. Set the PS3 cover aside in a clean area. Inside the PS3, locate the main fan near the heat sink. Use a brush to gently remove dust from the fan blades inside the PS3. Do not press down or bend the PS3 fan blades while cleaning. Aim compressed air at the PS3 fan and blow out dust carefully. Also clean the heatsink fins inside the PS3 to improve cooling. Make sure no clumps of dust remain inside the PS3. Inspect the thermal paste on the PS3 processor and heatsink. If the thermal paste looks dry or cracked, it may need replacing. Gently remove the old thermal paste from the PS3 using isopropyl alcohol. Apply a small amount of new thermal paste to the PS3 processor. Spread it evenly so it covers the chip surface in a thin layer. Reseat the heatsink back onto the PS3 processor firmly. Double-check that the PS3 fan cable is still connected securely. Reposition the top cover back onto the PS3. Slide the cover back into its original locked position. Reinsert the security screw into the PS3 to secure the cover. Replace the small plastic screw cover on the PS3 to close it up. Move the PS3 back to its normal place near your TV. Plug the HDMI cable back into the PS3. Plug the power cable back into the PS3. Plug in your PS3 controller or pair it wirelessly. Power the PS3 back on and wait for the dashboard to load. Listen carefully to the PS3 fan sound again. The PS3 fan should now be significantly quieter. If the PS3 fan still sounds very loud, overheating may still be occurring. Make sure the PS3 is not placed inside a tight cabinet or closed space. Ensure the PS3 has at least a few inches of space for airflow on all sides. If necessary, place the PS3 on a cooler or laptop cooling pad. Avoid placing the PS3 on carpet or fabric that blocks airflow. Let the PS3 run for several minutes and monitor temperature and fan speed. The PS3 should now operate at a normal quiet sound level. And that's how you fix a loud PS3 fan and make your console quiet again. Thanks for watching TechVibes. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more PS3 fixes.